Welcome to Kids Toys. We're doing a review of this awesome Lego train I made. Look, it's so cool. And look, there's a person inside. You can see him through the window or inside. Or you can take the thing out, which I just did. And this coach, it's so cool. It doesn't have everything on one side. I had to use what I could find, but it's mostly the same thing. And there's windows, and the wheels are bigger than the normal train. Yeah,